Okay children, good morning children once again. We come back to the 10th class topic, that is today I am going to discuss the 5th chapter, quadratic equations. 10th class topic, that is quadratic equations. So before going to the quadratic equations, let us learn the basic things related to the quadratic equations. So it is connected with the polynomials as already we learned. So how it is connected with the polynomials, let us see here. So first of all, if we take here 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, it is a polynomial. Which polynomial it is? Its degree is 1. Its degree is what? X power is what? 1. So its degree is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. If we take the general form of this linear polynomial, we can write it as ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. A is the leading coefficient. So this is the example for linear polynomial. This is the example for linear polynomial. Actually our topic is quadratic equations, but it is connected with the polynomials. That's why I am taking the connection with the polynomials. Linear polynomial example 2x plus 3. General form is ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. So it's why it is a linear polynomial? Because the degree of the polynomial is 1. Its degree of the polynomial is what? 1. It is a constant term. Here there are two terms. This is a variable term, it is a constant term. This variable term degree is 1, so this total polynomial degree also 1. As already you learned about the degree of a term and degree of a polynomial in the polynomial topic. So that's why directly I am saying that this is a linear polynomial because degree is 1. Okay, and general form is ax plus b and a is not equal to 0. And next if we go for the degree 2 polynomial, that is 2x square minus 5x plus 6. So it is its degree is what? 2. There are 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. This is the constant term. Its degree is 1. Its degree is 2. So the 3 terms. This degree constant term degree is 0. This term degree is 1 because nothing is what 1. This term degree is what 2. So overall the highest degree is 2. That's why this degree of this polynomial is what 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. So here this polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. This polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. What I said here, actually our topic is what? Quadratic equation. But I am connecting with the polynomials because already you have learned about the polynomials. So here this is a linear polynomial because its degree is what? 1. This is the general form and this is the example. And this is the example for quadratic polynomial because in this there are 3 terms, one constant term. One degree is 1, degree 1 term, degree of this term is 1 and degree of this term is 2. Overall, the highest degree in these terms is what? 2. So, the degree of the polynomial becomes 2. So, here, when the degree of the polynomial is 2, then that polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. And its general form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial and this is general form of quadratic polynomial and this is the example of quadratic polynomial. If we continue these polynomials, then we will get what? Cubic polynomial, by quadratic polynomial, it will continue. So but we have to connect with the quadratic equation. That's why we have quadratic polynomial and it is what? The quadratic equation. So now how this quadratic equation is connected with the quadratic polynomial? Equation. Here quadratic, here quadratic. It is a polynomial, it is an equation. Equation means which contains the symbol is equal to. Which contains the symbol is equal to. Let us take the same example. 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 or is equal to any value we take. Is equal to 2, is equal to 4 or is equal to 0. So it contains the symbol is equal to. So now before this it is 2x square minus 5x plus 6. It is a quadratic polynomial. It is an expression, algebraic expression, and it is a quadratic polynomial because degree is 2. Now here we contain the symbol is equal to 2 is equal to 0. Any number we can take here. So 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Its degree is also 2. Now it contains the symbol is equal to. Now this becomes the example for the quadratic equation. It is the example for the quadratic equation. Suppose if you want to write the general form of a quadratic equation, same here. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Suppose if you want to write the general form of quadratic equation, you can take is equal to symbol here. So the same way you can write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and where a is not equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. Is the general what we are learning about this topic, that is a quadratic equation. Second degree equation. Second degree equation or second degree equation of the polynomial or quadratic polynomial which contains the symbol is equal to 0. Or you can say if p of x is a polynomial. Suppose here we have taken here is a polynomial p of x. If p of x is a polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, and if p of x is equal to, if we write p of x is equal to 0, p of x means here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to p of x means ax square plus bx plus c, and is equal to 0 means p of x means we substitute ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Why a is not equal to 0? If a becomes 0, it becomes linear equation here, because its degree becomes 1, highest degree becomes 1, then it becomes linear equation. That's why the leading coefficient a should not be equal to 0. Then this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of the quadratic equation. So quadratic polynomial, linear polynomial ax plus b is not equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is not equal to 0. Then what is quadratic equation? If it contains the symbol is equal to, then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is called the general form of quadratic equation. We can take many examples. By example, x square minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 4, x square minus 4x plus 7 is equal to 8, or x square or 3x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 4. These are the examples of quadratic equations. Okay, now, so as we learned that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and a is not equal to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. That is the general form of quadratic equation. Just we have learned about some examples quadratic equation. So now here, as already I said that, once again I repeat here, if p of x is a polynomial, if p of x is a polynomial in single variable x, and p of x is equal to 0, and p of x is equal to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. In this way also can explain it. So if p of x is a polynomial in which the general form of p of x polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial, p of x is a polynomial and p of x is equal to 0, then it becomes ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called the quadratic equation, and a is not equal to 0. So suppose for example, the same thing, the general form, if I write here bx plus ax square plus c is equal to 0, we can write, or c plus bx plus ax square is equal to 0. This also. So this is also quadratic equation, this is also quadratic equation, this is also quadratic equation. So here second degree equation, here also second degree equation, here also second degree equation. But here the terms are shuffled. After shuffling here, this is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, bx plus ax square plus c is equal to 0, c plus bx plus ax square is equal to 0. So terms are here and are shuffled here. So but here, if we take this one ax square, this is also quadratic equation, this is also quadratic equation, this is also quadratic equation. But this is the standard form. This is the standard form of. This is the standard form. This is the standard. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. This is also quadratic equation. The condition same applies here. A is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. So 1, 2, 3. These are all the general forms of quadratic equation. But particularly when the degree is in the descending order, so the degree term, this term degree is 2, this term degree is 1, this term degree is 0. So descending order 2, 1, 0. Here 1, 2, here 1, 2, 0. Here 0, its degree term, this constant term degree is 0, 1, 2. Here ascending. Here it is a zigzag. Here not in the order, but here it is in the descending order. The order of the terms, the degree of the terms, the degree of the order is the degree of the order of the degree is in the descending order. This degree is what? 2. This term degree is 2. This term degree is 1. This term degree is 0. 2, 1, 0. When the order of the degree is in the descending order, then that is called as standard form of quadratic equation. equation that you have to understand here. So quadratic equation, general form of quadratic, 1, 2, 3, all the general form of quadratic equation, but here the degree is in the descending order, that's why it is also particularly this is called as standard form of quadratic equation. And one more thing here, if we consider instead of is equal to, if we consider as y is equal to, if we take as y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then it is called as quadratic function. Then it is called as quadratic function. Then it is called as quadratic function. So general form of quadratic equation, 1, 2, 3, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is not equal to 0. Bx plus x square plus c is equal to 0 is not equal to 0. C plus bx plus x square is equal to 0 is not equal to 0. So these 1, 2, 3, all these are all quadratic equation, but when the order of the degree is in the descending order, then it is the standard form of quadratic equation. All these are all general form of quadratic equation, but when the order of the degree is in the descending order, then it is called standard form of quadratic equation. And instead of is equal to 0, if we consider this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to y, then it is called as quadratic function. It is called as quadratic function. Already, so before starting only, I already kept the notes in the WhatsApp. Already you have written, you might have written. If not, please once again go through that WhatsApp and you write the notes about this one. Already about these notes, before only I given these notes. So this is the general form of quadratic equation. It is a standard form of quadratic equation. 1, 2, 3, all the general form of quadratic equation, and the degree of the order of the degree is in the descending order. So it is a standard form of quadratic equation. And when we consider ax square plus bx plus c is equal to y, or y is equal to x square plus bx plus c, then it is a quadratic function. So you can consider many examples here. 5x square, so 5x square minus 5x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5x minus 7x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Here dot is not in the, here the degree of the terms is not in order. Here the order of the degree is not in order. So here the degree is not in the descending order. Here the degree is in the descending order. Here also the degree is in the descending order. When we write in this, they are called as standard form of the quadratic equations. When you have, you can write.